It's springtime, and that means it's time to freshen up and get your house squeaky clean. And what better way to do that than Fresh and Clean Carpet Cleaner? I'm Katie, and today's how-to, I'll be showing you how to make your very own. Start with your deionized water measured out in a glass mixing beaker. To it, you're going to add the tetrapotassium pyrophosphate. Stir until it's completely dissolved, and now we're going to be adding our surfactants. First up is Stepan DG, followed by Bioturd PAS 8S. Give everything a good stir, and now we can add in our final steps. You're going to want to add in the preservative to keep the formula free of mold and bacteria throughout its use. And finally, my favorite part, the fragrance oil. I'll be using my favorite scent for any cleaning product, Fresh and Clean. Mix it in until homogeneous, and your carpet cleaner is almost done. Carefully pour the mixture into a packaging container. I'm using a bottle I can easily pour from that will allow me to dilute the product when I'm ready to use the steam cleaner. With your bottle filled up, you're done. To use this carpet cleaner, dilute it about 1 to 4 ounces into a gallon of water and use the solution in your steam cleaner. We only spent less than $1 to make 16 ounces of product, meaning you can sell it wholesale for $1 to $2 and retail for $3 to $5, depending on the fragrance and additives you use. We hope you enjoyed following along with today's how-to. We've got tons more videos just like this one in our playlist on our channel, so be sure to check them out for more product ideas for your line of fragrance products. Hit that like button to support what we do here in the lab and subscribe so you never miss an update from AFI. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now!